Make a great choice today with the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, cruise control, four-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, tachometer, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.